Welcome to Get Started tutorial for SnapIt. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to configure and get started using snapping windows to layout areas. First, click the Layout button on the home screen. This screen shows your screen and associated layout. If you want, you can disable the screen. Let's create a new layout. I'm going to split the screen vertically and move it closer to right. Then one horizontal, another vertical, and another horizontal split. From the Layout property, you can give spacing between areas. You can also change the layout name from there. Now I will add some overlays. They are more flexible, can be resized and moved freely on the screen. After resizing the overlay, click the Toggle Overlay button. A smaller overlay will show up. This one is needed for triggering the bigger one while dragging the window to a snap area. After finishing the design, click the Save button. The new layout will show up in the layout list. Before testing, let's configure the mouse and how it interacts with windows. Disable the Only Use Window Title option so you can move the window not only by dragging the title, where you drag within the window. For the Snap button, choose Middle option if your mouse has it, so that you will continue using the left button as Windows default actions. Great, created our custom layout and drag windows using Middle button. If you still want to use the left button for dragging, there is an option. Enable Use Hold key, new options will show up. Now you can start dragging only by clicking Control key and left button at the same time. You can also snap window by keyboard. Use shortcut key up, down, left or right to snap your last active window. If you want to exclude some of the windows not captured by SnapIt, go to Window page and Exclude application. In Theme screen, you can change overlay, highlight, and border color, overall opacity, or border thickness to have a more customized experience. Let's have a try. On Settings page, you can configure SnapIt to open minimized at startup. Run as administrator and check for new version options are only available for Pro version. Another cool feature is Quick Action Panel. To show Quick Action Panel, left-click notification icon. With this panel, you have an access to most used settings. Congratulations, you are now ready to start using SnapIt.